Puerto Rico is a territory of the United States located in the Caribbean Sea. The capital of Puerto Rico is San Juan, one of the oldest cities in the Americas. San Juan was founded in 1521 by Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de Leon. The official languages of Puerto Rico are Spanish and English. Puerto Rico is known for its vibrant culture that blends Taino, African, and Spanish influences. The island is home to the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System, El Yunque. The San Juan National Historic Site includes the famous forts El Morro and San Cristobal. The island has no income tax for residents, though it does pay other types of taxes. Puerto Rico has a unique bioluminescent bay known as Mosquito Bay, praised for its glowing waters. The island's beaches are considered some of the best in the world, with stunning white sand and turquoise waters. Puerto Rico is home to the coqui, a tiny frog known for its distinctive chirping sound. San Juan's Old San Juan features colorful colonial buildings and cobblestone streets that attract many tourists. Puerto Ricans celebrate a festival called Fiestas de la Calle San Sebastián, one of the biggest street festivals in the Caribbean. The island has a diverse ecosystem that includes many endemic plant and animal species. Puerto Rico's cuisine features dishes like mofongo, tostones, and lechon, reflecting its rich culinary heritage. Puerto Rico has a unique parandas tradition, a form of musical celebration similar to Christmas caroling. The island's education system is publicly funded, making education accessible for residents. San Juan is known for its vibrant nightlife, with many bars and clubs featuring salsa music and dancing. Puerto Rico has the world's largest radio telescope, the Arecibo Observatory, although it collapsed in 2020. The island experiences a tropical climate, making it warm and humid year-round. Puerto Rico is known for its rum production, ranking among the top rum-producing regions globally. The island's name translates to "rich port" in Spanish, reflecting its historical significance as a trade hub. Puerto Rico is famous for its coffee, often considered some of the best in the world due to its unique flavor profile. The island has a rich musical heritage, with genres like reggaeton, salsa, and bamba originating from here. San Juan's modern district, Condado, is known for its upscale hotels and beautiful beach fronts. The island is home to several indigenous Taino sites, showcasing its pre-Columbian history. Puerto Rico is the only place in the U.S. where you can see the endangered manatee in its natural habitat. San Juan's historic district is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Puerto Rican flag is one of the oldest flags in the world, adopted in 1952. The island hosts over 300 festivals annually, celebrating its culture, history, and traditions. Puerto Rico is a popular destination for cruise ships, drawing millions of tourists each year. The island's economy has been significantly impacted by the ongoing financial crisis, leading to various reforms. The famous P.O. Diaz sugar mill in Puerto Rico symbolizes the island's historical sugar industry. Puerto Rico has more than 270 miles of coastline, making it ideal for water sports and relaxation. The island boasts a unique blend of urban and natural environments, with lush mountains and bustling cities. San Juan's La Fortaleza is the oldest governor's mansion still in use in the Western Hemisphere. Puerto Rico's El Yunque rainforest is home to hundreds of species of plants and animals, including the endangered Puerto Rican parrot. The island is not a state but has a status known as an unincorporated territory of the U.S. Puerto Rico provides free higher education to its residents at public universities. The Vejigante mask, with its colorful designs, is a traditional symbol of Puerto Rican culture and festivals. Puerto Rican salsa music is celebrated worldwide, and the island hosts the annual World Salsa Congress. The island has a strong tradition of baseball, producing many Major League Baseball players. San Juan has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries showcasing local and international talent. The indigenous Taino people were the original inhabitants of Puerto Rico before Spanish colonization. Puerto Rico has its own Olympic committee and competes independently in the Olympic Games. The island is prone to hurricanes, with Hurricane Maria in 2017 causing significant destruction. The annual San Sebastián Street Festival attracts thousands of visitors to San Juan for music, food, and fun. Many films and TV shows are filmed in Puerto Rico due to its diverse landscapes and tax incentives.